Cryptocurrency is everywhere. Bitcoin hit a $65,000 all-time high. The Ethereum blockchain is building out thousands of applications and businesses, and I've got $10,000 riding on this. This is the beginner's guide to cryptocurrency. Now, because this is a beginner's video, I'm not going to get too deep into the technology behind cryptocurrency, but what you need to know to understand this video is that cryptocurrency is digital currency that's built on a blockchain and cryptographically secured. That's basically a fancy way to say it's super encoded. If you want to learn a little bit more about the technology behind blockchain, you can go and check out my first video on this channel, which goes a little bit deeper into what blockchain technology is and how it works. As of right now, there's about $2 trillion invested into cryptocurrencies and around 8,000 different crypto tokens. If we compare this to the stock market, which has around 6,000 companies that we can invest in and around $95 trillion invested in that market, crypto is pretty small. But the reason people are so excited about cryptocurrencies is because the percentage increase, how much money you can make on them, is very high and very fast compared to the traditional stock market. Cryptocurrencies tend to attract people who have a high risk tolerance. So these are people who feel a little bit more comfortable gambling their money as opposed to the traditional investor who's a bit safer. They also attract people who tend to be very progressive and forward thinking, and of course, people who are just in it because they want to make a bunch of money very quickly. And this is kind of the problem with cryptocurrency. As exciting as it is to double your money in just a couple of days, you can absolutely go the opposite direction as well. So while we have a lot of stories of people who are becoming millionaires because they invested in Bitcoin early, there are also a lot of examples of people who are losing a lot of money too. And this is why in this video, I don't just want to sell you on this idea that cryptocurrency is everything and it's going to change the world and everybody should invest all of their dollars in it right now. I want you to have a very realistic approach towards whether or not you should actually be investing into crypto. I want you to be realistic.
I'm the magical man from Happy Land.
It's really easy to have this intense fear of missing out just take over your logical thought processes and convince you that you need to throw everything that you have into crypto. But instead, you need to make logical, smart business decisions that are the right choice for you. So if you do this research and you feel really excited about what you learn from it, that's whenever you should probably invest. You invest because you believe in something, not because you're scared of missing out. As much as I love cryptocurrency and blockchain and NFTs and all this new technology and how it's being utilized and how it's changing business models, I also have to be realistic about the fact that this is still speculation. It hasn't taken over the world yet. And even though I and many other people believe that it will, it's not quite there yet. There are still some problems that need to be solved. However, it does have potential to make you some money, and especially if you believe in the projects, let's invest in it, right? So here's how you're going to do that. The most popular and most recommended form of investing into cryptocurrencies is called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. DCA is essentially taking a specific amount every single week and investing into cryptocurrency projects that you believe in. You can do this by using a platform like Coinbase Pro or Binance.us and invest, let's say, $100 a week into a cryptocurrency you like. I personally really love Cardano, which has the ticker ADA, and Polygon, which has the ticker MATIC. I also invest heavily into Ethereum. But again, don't just listen to the cryptos that I love. Find your own. If y'all would like, I can go into my DCA strategy in another video. Just comment down below and let me know. As of right now, your homie Warren Buffett is probably not going to recommend that you invest in cryptocurrency because of how speculative and volatile it is, but your homie Ashni is going to say, do your research. I'm very bullish on crypto, which means that I'm investing a lot into it continuously because I've done my research and I believe in it. And so for the short term, I'll say, I will continue investing into crypto as long as it continues to give me awesome gains. I do see a future where 2 or 3 years I have doubled or tripled my investment portfolio just based on the company's growth. But I also know that it could very well go the opposite direction, and so all of the investments that I make are investments that I would be okay living without. I do love a high risk reward, but I gotta hold myself back sometimes, you know? You just gotta be responsible, be an adult sometimes. If you'd like to start researching cryptocurrency yourself, I'll leave some articles and links to things that I have read as well for y'all down below, so definitely check those out to get more information. I think that's it for this one. Do we talk about NFTs next? I think we do. I'll see y'all there. Bye!